October 1st. Time to dust off those sweaters in the closet and get ready for the fall season. And as you're checking the weather to see what cute little fall outfit you can wear, you realize you live in California, so there really is no fall here. So it's going to be 80 degrees in the middle of October. The one thing you can count on during this time of the year is the Santa Ana winds. Thanks, girl. You lit. She dangerous. She fire. So in reality, we gotta put those sweaters back until maybe mid-November, and let me show you how to transition your summer outfits to fall. Alright, so the first piece we're going to transition are shorts. These are a main necessity during the summer. Everyone wears shorts. It's too hot to wear pants or anything else. One of the easy ways to transition any piece to fall is to wear boots and, of course, to layer different outerwear. Here I am wearing just a thin sweater underneath. What I like to do is I like to tuck in the layered pieces to make different looks. So here I tucked in the sweater under the leather jacket. You can either carry it around and put it over your shoulders if it's still a little too hot. Moving on, we have these flowy tie shorts that I feel like are so comfortable during the summertime. What I like to do is I like to mix and match fall and summer pieces. So this could mean putting a turtleneck on instead of a tank top or a t-shirt and putting some Doc Martens on, or anything really, just to make the items come together. And of course, wearing a cute little sweater on top. And don't forget about your other boots. So I'm pairing this with these knee-high boots and a cute little blazer just to create a different look, or add on different kind of sweaters to change the look up every now and then. Here I'm wearing these olive green shorts, which ties more into fall. And then I'm pairing it with this suede cardigan from Zara and these cute leather booties. These are a lot shorter, but it makes the outfit look a little bit more put together. And then since this cardigan is tieable, you can go ahead and tie it together and just make a whole different outfit. Other ways to use shorts in your transition pieces include wearing stockings or tights underneath, or opting for thicker, warmer, and darker pieces, and even pairing it with different belts with more fall colors and patterns to change up the look every now and then. The next thing we are transitioning are dresses. These are pretty much all that everyone wears during the summer. I don't know about you guys, but I love wearing dresses during the summer. They're so much easier. The one thing I like to do, and I'm pretty sure everyone's parents and mom has told them to do, is to wear a long sleeve under their dresses, especially if it's a thicker, nicer long sleeve. It'll go very well with the dress. And of course, don't forget to wear your cute little booties and layer your jacket over top, just for a different look and way more warmth. Okay, so this next dress, no straps, no sleeves, nothing. And what I decided to do is to pair it with this more see-through long sleeve with glitter. Here I tied it on top of the dress and put some Doc Martens on. And so you pretty much made sleeves for the dress. Another thing you could do is tuck it into the dress and make it look more like a whole dress itself instead of two different pieces together. And this will just make you a little bit warmer, but if you want the extra warmth, I would just throw on a thicker jacket. This is my trusty denim jacket that I've thrifted and had for a very long time now, and it is one of my go-to jackets when I want to layer pieces together. Transitioning dresses is one thing that's pretty hard to do, but what I like to do is tuck in thinner dresses into pants, trousers, or sweats, and it'll create kind of like a new shirt that you don't really have, as well as sticking tights or stockings underneath, and also leaning towards warmer colors, thicker fabrics, and materials. Okay, so let's move on to something a little bit more difficult. We've got lace bodysuits. You may not think that this is a very fall thing to wear, but I love layering these under everything. Here I paired it with these pinstripe leggings. These are pretty thick from Forever, and my go-to denim jacket, as well as some Doc. Just take the sweater off if you are too hot, or put the sweater on if it's too cold. Here I am putting a thinner like button-up blouse on top and kind of stretching it out a little bit, and then wearing different pairs of boots and a cardigan, the same suede Zara cardigan, and tying it to create a different look. This is just a little bit more fall businessy look. And if it's too businessy for you, just throw on that same denim jacket or your go-to favorite sweater. Other than the tips I've already mentioned, other ways to transition lace bodysuits or just bodysuits in general is to use them as the first layer in outfits to keep you warmer. These include lace bodysuits, thicker ribbed bodysuits, and just kind of use them more of like a camisole or a cami to keep you warmer a little bit closer to your skin. There's also the idea of wearing long sleeves underneath bodysuits, kind of the same way that we did with the dresses, and as well as pairing it with jeans, sweats, or trousers, which create a way more cuter and stylish look than just plain t-shirts. Alright, and the last thing that I'm going to help you guys transition into this weird fall summer weather we have here in California are bodycon skirts. I don't know about you guys, but I always forget about these once the fall weather starts coming, but here I am using a thinner sweater from Old Navy and tucking it in. You can choose to tuck it in or tuck it out, and then I'm pairing it with this denim black cropped jacket, my trusty old Doc Martens, and this really cute double ring black belt. Another way you can style this, because I'm all about looking fancy, classy, and businessy, is to untuck the sweater, wear the belt on top of the sweater, and change the Doc Martens into more cute boots, and these are the same patent leather boot to create a more businessy, formal look. I also decided to give you this look as well, which tucks the shirt back in but brings back that belt onto the skirt with those same patent leather boots. And finally, other ways to transition bodycon skirts or skirts in general be to go for more thicker, well-lined, and darker styles, wearing stockings and tights underneath just like those shorts and dresses, and also trying different styles, fits, and fabrics of skirts, whether they're bodycon, skater, or anything of the sort.